processed already.
What payment?
For the membership.
Why aren't you in good standing? Were you struck off because of professional malpractice?
No.
So you prepared these financial statements. Tell us why you classified 10% of your expenditure as other payments, 54 million.
We prepared the financial statement as a team. So
you certified them as the ISPAC member. I can see it here. All the information is here. Can you?
meel walba si wax u xadayeen cidii xitaa Kenyaanka ayaa yaaban 54 million baa la xaday.
You have just said other expenses. And you see there's a footnote there saying provide detailed explanations for other payments. Give us the detailed explanation why 10% of your expenditure is just described as other payments.
And Chair, through you.
Other payments.
First of all, it's illegal to do that. Because what it is trying to ask them to do is to comply with the law, because you are allowed to itemize your budget. You cannot have other expenses in your budget at all. There's no provision for that. So the audit agenda is trying to get to the foot and know, did you really do that? Because other expenses has become a pseudonym for theft. We have stolen it, so
Ashar baa loo dhigayaa dhegeysta qandaraas dhan baa la qaatay others baa lagu qoray. Yeah.
we're not accounting. We just call it other expenses. So this question is very serious because it touches on the question of the rule of law. The law requires you to say, I bought 10 pens. I bought an envelope. You cannot say you bought others. So that's why the question is very, very critical, because here we are looking at the
waa la ceeboobay waa far waaweyn baa wax loogu dhigayaa far waaweyn. Yeah. Meesha waxa weeye waa tuugo cidaan tuugonimo ma dhaafayso.